Okay, so today's video is the tunnel light. Welcome to Narrowboat Precious Jet. My name's Steve Tyrrell, and this is my video of doing a tunnel light, sorting the wiring and giving it a polish. Okay, so that's all the components stripped down now. Try and get a better look. Unfortunately the camera's flickering a little bit because of the lights in here. They're all LED lights, so. Right, so the problems we have is on the end here, see how burnt that bit of wire. It's got an exposed flex there, look. This one's been joined and also joined again, and then a bit of exposed flex. So what we're going to do is put new wires onto this, probably change the wires completely all the way through. This bit we'll have to keep because that's connected to the ball, and then this red wire here we'll just replace with a new piece. The flex on the other end don't look too bad at all. Might put a bit of heat shrink over this end just to tighten up that, make it look a bit neater. And then this end we're going to find a rubber grommet to fit inside that nut, so when we put the light back together it's got a rubber seal in it, so it'll be nice and tight. Shouldn't let any water in. But the thing is, when we use the tunnel light, it won't be raining. It ain't going to be exposed to rainwater a great deal, because when I'm not using it, it's hanging up in the engine room inside the boat. So we only really have the tunnel light outside when I'm going in and out of a tunnel, obviously. So let's put some new wires on here, some new collectors and new wires, and then we'll give it a rebuild and then a bit of a polish. Now you're supposed to be very careful with these bulbs because you're not really supposed to touch the end here, because if you get any oils off your fingers onto the bulb, when it gets hot it creates a hot spot on the bulb and causes the bulb to blow. So ideally you don't want to touch the bulb. And then before I rebuild this, I'll give the bulb a clean just to make sure I don't have any oils off my fingers left on the glass.
It's a nice thing about working with shit stuff. You can make it look better.
Well, yeah. that bit I'm going to put is going to be in the film. That is. So when I put this, do you want IRB in the credits or not?
I don't know, can do. Depends how professional it looks.
This is me talking to. I'm a professional filmmaker now, I'll have you know.
I'm sorry you weren't filming quick enough then, I've done it.
It's recording, mate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right.
That's like I said, you get away with so much in the editing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's done anyway.
Yeah. Nice bit of shrink wrap over there. So that now should hold that in place, and it shouldn't chafe, shouldn't split. It should be absolutely awesome. You're a pair of bastards, you are. Okay, so we have the electrics and the switch in now. So I think what I'll do now is I'll put the backing piece back in, and the reflector and the ball, and then start slowly putting it back together, and then we'll clean these bits up on the outside look, and then I think we'll give it a bit of a polish. Okay, so just trying to put a bit of power onto the light now and see if it works. So the earth's the small one. Not that it matters because it's not earthed out, is it? It's not switched on yet anyway.
Oh.
So anyway, a little bit of power on. Try the switch. Look at that. First try as well. Absolutely awesome. And then on the back there you can adjust the light, so you can adjust the beam, make it a wide beam or a short beam, concentrate on something particular. Brilliant. Shines the treat in there with that reflector polish now. Thank you to my beautiful assistant Ian at IRB. Brilliant. Awesome. So there you go. We're on one Francis 1929 searchlight of a fire engine, and you can see in there now. Still left the old switch, but the wires now don't have exposed wire. So that's all been sorted now, and the wires in there are nice and neat. No naked wires. Give it a bit of a polish as well. I mean, it's not perfect. The polish job isn't perfect, but that'll give me something to do in the summer when I'm sat on the boat. I could spend a couple of hours and give it a real good clean. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please consider doing so. Love to have you along.